Hello students, welcome to class, and I just want to share with you a short lesson about the sounds of Y. Y makes three sounds, ya, e, and I. Ya. The normal sound is ya, but as you can see in the slide, the Y steals the sounds of I and E. This is why we say that Y is a consonant, but Y makes two vowel sounds. And so when I was a child studying grammar in school, in primary school, they would say the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, because Y sometimes, often in fact, makes a sound of E and I. In a one-syllable word, Y says I, fly, cry. Okay? In a two-syllable word, Y says E, happy, sorry. All right? And so, ya, E, I. Okay? You see the chart of words? Say these after me. Practice saying these after me. Yank. And be sure and say the ending blend sound, yank, the NK, yank, yank, yarn, the strong R sound, yarn, yell, the short E sound, yell, yes, the short E sound, yoga, the short O and A sound, yuck, the short U sound, and the ending blend CK, yuck, and yarn, yeah, yarn, yam, I'm sorry, yam, the short A sound. All right, say these after me. Yank, yarn, yell, yes, yoga, yuck, yarn, yam, somto yam. Okay? Now for the I sound, reply, shy, fry. Look at all of these beginning blend sounds. Sh, shy, fry. My man, fry. You don't say it that way. Say it the same as me. Fry. TR sound. Try. My man, try. The T sound makes the T sound, and the R sounds make the sound, not the sound. My, DR, the dry, my man, try, dry, and by. Say these after me. Reply, shy, fry, try, my, dry, by. And the E sound, hazy, navy. Let me show you this. Remember the rule? The final E makes the vowel in front of it say the long sound. And so how do we know this is hazy and not hazy? Because the Y makes the E sound. The Y is not an E, but it makes the E sound. And so it makes the vowel in front of it say the long sound. Hazy, navy, slimy, funny. Okay, the difference is it's the short U sound, because the rule for the short U is if there is a consonant in front of the vowel and a consonant after the vowel, it makes the short sound. Funny, baby, ugly, tiny. Say these after me. Hazy, navy, slimy, funny, baby, ugly, tiny. All right, and so those are the three sounds of the Y. And if you remember this simple rule, then it will be easy for you to pronounce the word properly. The final Y sound of the word, and also the vowel in front of the word, of the vowel, of the Y. All right, thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.